Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a subdomain using Cloudflare. Alright, so let's begin. Whether you are already experienced with website management or you are just getting started, understanding DNS settings is very important because these records control how your domain works, where your website points, and how visitors reach your site online. To begin, open any web browser and go to the official Cloudflare website. If you are already signed in to your account, you can continue right away. If not, simply log in using your Cloudflare account details. Once you are inside your dashboard, you will see the domains connected to your account. If you have more than one domain, choose the specific domain you want to manage by clicking on it. After selecting your domain, look for the DNS option in the dashboard menu. Click on DNS and then select Records. This will take you to the DNS management area. Here you will see all the existing DNS records for your domain. Now let's add a new DNS record to create a subdomain. To do that, click on the Add Record button. You will now see different fields that need to be filled in. First, go to the Type field and choose A record. An A record is used to point a domain or subdomain to a specific IP address, which is exactly what we need in this example. Next, in the Name field, enter the subdomain you want to create. For example, if your main domain is example.com and you want to create a subdomain called blog, you only need to type blog in this field. After that, go to the IPv4 address field and enter the IP address where you want this subdomain to point. Usually, this will be the IP address of your hosting server. Make sure you enter the IP address correctly, because even a small mistake can cause your subdomain to stop working or point to the wrong website. Once everything looks correct, click on the Save button. Cloudflare will now update your DNS record. In some cases, the change may start working almost instantly, but sometimes it can take a little time to fully update across the internet. And that's it. This is how you can create a subdomain using Cloudflare. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.